Let's look at a different way to create an assignment with an attachment. I'll go to Create Assignment again. This time, I'm going to have students work on a document for free writing. So I will title this Free Write. And I will give some instructions. Use this document for choice writing. Now, I'm imagining students will just be working on a plain Google Doc. So I haven't created that yet. I can create it right now from within Google Classroom. I'll click Create, and I want students typing on a Google Doc, so I will click Docs. I'm going to title this for my students as Free Write. You can click off to save that title. And again, I will need to decide my viewing and sharing options for students. Since I want each student to be able to type on their own document, I will click Make a Copy for each student. I decide who I want this to go to. I'm going to decide that this is ungraded. Since this again is an ongoing assignment, I'm not going to assign a due date and time, but I do need to remember to assign a topic. Since this isn't specifically work that students need to work on this week, I will add it to Literacy Studio. And I'll click Assign. Now I have two topics that have assignments underneath them. Literacy Studio and this week's work. Remember, topics only show up when there are published posts underneath. So if I'm a student in this Google Classroom, I'll sign in, click the Classwork tab, and this week's work, and Literacy Studio will show up on my Classwork tab.